Alright, we just learned we have sound. So now we can hear the music and the people talking. This is really good. That's a give me a home where the buffalo roam and the deer and the antelope play. Oh, wrong verse, but there you go. All right.
Hey, here I am. You get ready to go to sleep? You get ready to go to sleep?
No, look, I'm wide awake. We're going to show
here
Mommy.
I go. Watch me. Here I go. Here I go.
Where's he going?
Alright, here I am now. I'm coming over here.
You're so smart. You're so smart. We're going to learn how to put this on the TV and show Mommy what you did the whole time she was gone. Let Me Call You Sweetheart. That's the song on there. All right, I'm going to stop it.